Unraveling Idioms, a mile off. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of English idioms. Specifically, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, a mile off. Idioms like this one can add color to our language, and understanding them is key to mastering English. So, let's get started. Have you ever heard someone say they could see something a mile off? This phrase is actually an idiom in English. It doesn't literally mean to see something from a mile away. Instead, it's used to describe the ability to detect something early or from a long way off, usually because it is obvious. It can refer to recognizing a situation, a person's intentions, or even predicting an outcome. The origins of this phrase are not entirely clear, but it's believed to stem from the literal ability to see something from a great distance, implying a sense of sharpness or keen perception. Over time, it evolved into a metaphorical saying that's now part of everyday English. Let's see how this idiom works in everyday conversation. Imagine someone says, "I could tell he was going to be trouble a mile off." This means they could sense the person was going to be trouble before it became apparent to everyone else. It's often used to express a sense of confidence in one's intuition. This idiom has also made its way into literature and media, helping characters express their astuteness. When you read a book or watch a movie and a character uses this phrase, they're often portrayed as observant and perceptive. To use a mile off correctly, you should remember it's figurative and not literal. It's perfect for situations where you want to express that something was easy to predict or identify well in advance. And that's a wrap on a mile off. Now you know how to use this idiom to show that you've got a good nose for sniffing things out early. Hopefully, you found this video helpful, and you'll be able to spot other idioms a mile off in your English learning journey. Happy learning, and see you next time!